Good morning. I'm just finishing my hair. I still have to straighten my ends, but other than that, I am all ready to go. We're gonna hang out with some friends that are in town for the Packer game. We're actually heading downtown to Great Dane. Sorry, there's a huge glare from the sun, but we're gonna head downtown, so I'll try to do a little behind the scenes down there. It's gonna be crazy busy though, so I don't know how much I'll be able to film, but then we'll be back this afternoon and hopefully get some stuff ready for the week, because I have a lot to do before the week starts. So yeah, this is just my little outfit of the day. So I wanted to show you guys what I got from Kendra Scott last night, because I'm gonna wear these earrings today. I don't know if I'm gonna wear them with the charms, but I got these fun like hammered metal earrings. Hopefully, I feel like they're not very clear. It's bumpy in the car, so hopefully you guys can see it. And then I got these charms, so this is a charm set. I have a necklace that these charms go with, but what you do is actually you take the little clamp off and then pop them right on the earring, and then it's a moon and a star on the earring. I wanted to get an evil eye. They had earrings on display with their evil eye, and I think I might end up going and getting another one because they're so cute. But I'm gonna pop these on and show you what they look like. All right, here they are. I love the little charm on them. Otherwise, you can take the charm off and just wear them just as hoops. But I'll link them down below for you guys. I think they're adorable. What do you think, honey?
Beautiful.
Yes, I can see. Have you even looked at them yet?
Yeah, they're nice.
They're the first ones here in the entire restaurant. It's empty. Game day ready though.
Didn't even get to a bar this early back when I used to party.
Right? Oh, the times have changed. So I just cooked up some Brussels sprouts, and right now I am cooking up some chicken breasts for the week. So I just have 2 things of Brussels sprouts there, and then I just used olive oil, salt and pepper, and some steak seasoning. Same with this, I just used olive oil, salt and pepper, and steak seasoning. Pop them in the oven, and then I'm gonna use them along with this to meal prep for the week. All done, nice and juicy, and then I'm just gonna chop it up, put it in a container, and then I eat it with my Brussels sprouts, and then I'll be set for the week. Good morning. I'm not really sure what's going on with this like really curly piece of hair. I have coffee in my hand. Let me fix it. There we go. It's Vlogmas day 10. I'm waiting for the dogs to come back inside right now. It's only like in the 40s today, so it's actually not bad sitting out on my porch, but it is like gloomy out, like so gross looking out. So I've noticed by editing my videos the last week that I can tell that I need to get back into keto. Like I can just see it in my face. I have to keep reminding myself that I've come so far, but I can see it in my face. So this week I'm like, I'm going full back on keto, like full on. So as of today, I ate like crap yesterday too. So as of today, I'm gonna be back full on keto, and I figured I'd show you guys kind of a what I eat in a day kind of thing for keto. So I shared with you my coffee. I have this every single day. I use my MCT oil powder, froth it with some almond milk, and I have my Nespresso. I have like frogs. What is that when you have a frog in your throat? My voice just sounds very morning voicey. And then you guys saw that I meal prepped. Actually meal prepped for 2 days. So I have chicken and Brussels sprouts for lunch for the next 2 days. And then I'll share with you guys what I make for dinner tonight too. And then I don't think I have any snacks that I brought today, but if I do snack, I will let you guys know. So I'm heading off to work now. So this is my breakfast, half an avocado and then 2 spinach frittatas from Costco. Look at who came to visit today. Oh, I know. Oh, you're the sweetest. So for lunch, I have chicken, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and then the other half of my avocado. This is from the meal I prepped, and then I just threw a little bit of ranch dressing on there. And then I recorded everything on here. This shows that I should only have 16 grams of net carbs. That's just to lose weight. For me starting back out, I usually stay under 30 grams right here. But once I start wanting to lose more weight, like getting back into it, and getting more on like a pattern, then I'll stick to the 16 grams net carbs. But this app is called Carb Manager. So I'm having a little snack, and I love this nut butter. It's the salted chocolate macadamia. It's only 1 gram net carbs, and it tastes super yummy too. If you're like craving something sweet, this is perfect too. So I'm home now, and we're about to cook dinner. We're gonna make tacos. This is like one of my favorite keto meals, and we make tacos all the time. Connor's gonna probably cook most of it while I prep some of the stuff. And then yeah, I'll show you what I eat for dinner. So I use these guys as my taco shells. They're 1 gram net carbs. Bree taught me to just spread the sour cream on here, which I don't know why I never thought of. A bit of lettuce for your tacos. Cilantro. Big chunk. Making a mess with the avocado, but that's okay. So this has no carbs. This is Valentina's. I'm gonna make a mess. Not used to like little tacos.
Little baby tacos?
Little baby tacos. All right, we're done. I'm gonna devour these. I'm excited because tacos are my fave. Time for some dessert. About a half a cup of strawberries. And 1 gram carb. Now, I don't always have this, but it is a nice little treat. I either do this or like peanut butter and sugar-free jelly. But that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas. See you in tomorrow's. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more keto videos, let me know in the comments what you're looking for down below, and I'll be happy to share some in the future. So have a good night.